Welcome all. This is our lecture 23 and our today's topic is main forms of IP. I means intellectual property. In this our subject law for engineers, we will term IP as intellectual property. Okay? Not the intellectual internet protocols. So in the last lecture we have learned what is IP and what is the need of these intellectual property rights. Today, we will learn about its forms. As we have discussed, it have mainly three forms, and one is additional, that is copyright, patents, trademarks, and the fourth one, trade secret. So, let's continue with the topic. Main forms of IP. There are patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. We will start from copyrights. As you can see, everywhere a symbol of C is mentioned, or on every website, any artistic work, there is a mark, that is copyright. Okay. So a copyright gives the creator of an original work. For a copyright to mention or to file a copyright, to get a copyright about any creation, your work must be original. Okay. Usually for a limited time, and these rights will be given for a limited time. Copyright may apply to a wide range of creative, intellectual, or artistic forms, as like any music, any paintings, etc. Copyright does not cover ideas and information themselves, only the form or manner in which they are expressed. Okay, if you have only just simply an idea and there is no implementation, you have not implement that idea, so the ideas will not cover under the copyright. When you will implement that idea will be considered. The primary goal of copyright law is to protect the time, effort, and creativity of the work's creator. As such, Copyright Act gives the copyright owner certain exclusive rights, including reproduce the work. He or she can reproduce the work, prepare derivative works, means the related work associated with the original work, distribute copies of the work by sale, lease, and other transfer of ownership, or can give the idea or the copyright to another for some special purpose or some limited time. Perform the work publicly, display the work publicly, okay, as by the name of the creator. The next form is patents. This is mainly associated with the processes or any work that have some new ways to solve any problem. As a patent is a form of right granted by the government to an inventor, okay, giving the owner the right to exclude others from making, using, selling, offering to sell, and importing an invention for a limited period of time in exchange for the public disclosure of the invention. It is when you will create any invention or you will invent something, then that particular invention come under the patents. you must have to patent that particular invention. Okay. An invention is a solution to a specific technological problem, which may be a product or a process, as I discussed earlier, to solve any problem or process, and generally has to fulfill the requirements of the common peoples or to the needs, to fulfill the needs of an industrial applicability, and that particular invention must have an industrial applicability. Okay, so the mass production of that particular invention should be take place to facilitate or any life changing to the common people. So the common people can be benefited by your invention. The society will be benefited with your invention. Okay. There are 3 different categories of patents can fall under. That is, the first one is utility. A utility patent protects the creation of a new or improved product, process, composition of matter, or machine that is useful. The second type is design. A design patent protects the or non-metal design on a useful item. The third one is plant. A plant patent protects new kind of plants produced by cutting or other means. So these are 3 categories. The patents fall under these. The next one is trademark. We are all very well known about this trademark, as when you will go to the shopping and you will see any trademark or a symbol of a particular company. That is for Apple, that is a different trademark. For Adidas, for Puma, there are different symbols, signs. Okay, as a trademark is a recognizable sign, design, or expression which distinguish products or services of a particular trader from the similar products or services of other traders. A trademark can come in the form of text. This can be a text, paras, symbol. It could be a symbol, any sound, smell, in color scheme, etc. Unlike patents, a trademark can protect a set or class of products or services instead of just one product or process. It means under a particular symbol or under particular trademark, many products can be formed. As consider a company that is Apple, and Apple have laptops, PCs, iPads, smartphones, etc. Okay, come under and these all these products fall under the one single trademark, one single logo of the Apple. The next one is trade secret. Trade secret is the 4th thing that can be considered. That is, trade secret are the secrets of a business. They are proprietary systems, formulas, strategies, or other information that is confidential and is not meant for unauthorized commercial use by others. This is a critical form of protection that can help business to gain a competitive advantage. If any business rivals can get the secrets of other, that this situation will come under the unfair competition and the another business suffer. Although intellectual property rights protection may seem to provide a minimum amount of protection when they are utilized wisely, they can maximize the benefit and value of a creation and enable world changing technology to be developed, protected and monetized. It means the creator, the whole purpose of this process is that the creator of these particular inventions, any music, any copyright science, that particular must be benefited for their work, so that the new creations can be done and the other people also encourage to create new things. Now the topic is importance of intellectual IPRs. The purpose of intellectual property rights is to encourage new creations. As I discussed, new creations, including technology, artwork, and inventions that might increase economic growth. Okay, IPRs increases the incentives for individuals to continue to produce things that further create jobs, opportunities, and new technologies while enabling our world to improve and involve even faster also. So this is all done in this lecture. Create your good quality notes and learn.